Yo, what's up, you beautiful human being that's watching this right now? Yes, I'm talking about you. Don't make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Really hope you like this video. Enjoy.
Yo, what's up, family, and welcome back to another video. And today I did something a little different just because it's been raining for like a whole week in Louisiana. That's how it is usually. Mother Nature's like, yo, I think you need rain, and we're like, nah, we good. And Mother Nature's like, nah, I give you weeks worth of rain. So yeah, so I couldn't really go out and do anything. So what I did was put together a list of 30 things that you can do while it's raining outside. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Y'all make sure you'll put in the comment section below of which of the 30 things that you find was the funniest, or one of the 30 things that you find to do best while it's raining outside. So yeah, so I really have nothing else to say. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I just want to entertain y'all, so yeah, just roll it. Alright, you can sleep, you can work out,
187, 2000, 168.
play with yourself,
Rock, paper, scissors, scissors. Man, not again. Every time.
build a bed fort,
Yo, this is like the best fort ever made.
think of new pickup lines,
Hey, nice shoes, wanna fuck?
practice your jump shot,
You ready for this jump shot? Fuck.
saying tongue twisters,
Alright. Toy boat, toy boat, toy boy, toy boy. Toy boat, toy boy, toy boy. Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat, toy boy. Oh my god. Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat, toy boat, toy boat. Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat, toy boat.
recreating the Titanic scene,
Jack, please. Grab my hand. Please don't die. Please. Rose, you just gotta just bring me up. There's enough room on this raft. Just please, this water is freezing. This raft isn't big for the both of us. Jack, I will always love you. What? You hoe.
Bing watch Friends,
No one told you life was gonna be this way.
achieve your goals,
Alright, my goal today is to just get up. One step for man. Man, I love achieving my goals. Back to bed.
try to fly,
Gravity, right? And just like physics. If I just do this like super fast, I'm pretty sure I can just fly. Alright, let's just...
read a book,
Oh!
draw,
Let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick.
arts and crafts, spit some bars,
Yo, I'm about to spit this real quick. Look, 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 look. You acting brand new. Fuck with that dog I was raised in the zoo. Fucking your girl, she's turning so blue. Got the homies running through her, they running through me too.
unsub from James Charles,
Oh, that's right.
think of baby names,
Alright, so for a boy, Optimus Prime. Now a girl, Optimus Prime.
clean your room, think of a video idea.
30 things to do when it's raining outside. Wait, I don't have 30 things though. Do like 15, but I'm just gonna say 30, just because it's like a even number and it just sounds better. Yeah, I'll do that.
Becoming depressed, wishing that someone would talk to you because you are so alone in this world.
No one really wants to be with you, and you're just all alone in this world. It just kind of overdid that, did I? Well, that is the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, y'all make sure y'all leave a big thumbs up and make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. Again, we do a lot of videos on this channel. We do pranks, challenges, little skits, anything like that just to entertain y'all. And I'm doing this on like a strictly like daily / weekly basis. Like I'm always gonna come out with a video, so y'all make sure you hit that subscribe button, y'all make sure you hit that like button, and also make sure y'all comment in the comment section below, because I'm hearting every comment and I'm also replying to y'all. So yeah, so that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I love y'all. Thank y'all, family. Peace.